everyone, and welcome back to Hello English Podcast, your daily English for real life. Today we're starting a new topic that is surprisingly important in English-speaking countries. And honestly, it's one of the easiest ways to start a conversation with anyone. We're talking about the weather, how to describe it, how to ask about it, and how to use weather talk to naturally connect with people.
And I'm John. If you think talking about the weather is boring, trust me, in English, it's not. For native speakers, especially in places like the US, Canada, and the UK, weather is more than a comment. It's a social tool. It's how strangers connect. It's how coworkers start conversations. It's how neighbors say hello. So today, we'll show you simple, natural, real-life phrases that you can use immediately.
Let's start with a simple truth. Talking about the weather is one of the easiest ways to start a conversation in English. It doesn't require advanced vocabulary, it's safe, it's universal, and, most importantly, it opens the door to more interesting topics.
Exactly. Weather talk is basically the English version of pressing start on a conversation. It's how people signal friendliness. It's how they show politeness. It's how they test the atmosphere. Is this person open to talking? Are they busy? And don't worry, you don't need complicated grammar. You only need a few short phrases.
So let's start with 5 very useful, very natural phrases. These are easy, these are realistic, and you will hear them everywhere. Phrase number 1. It's chilly today.
Chilly means a little cold, but not freezing. It's perfect for autumn mornings or spring evenings. Examples: it's a bit chilly today, or it felt chilly this morning. Simple, friendly, native.
Phrase number 2. It looks like it's going to rain.
This is one of the most common weather phrases in English. You can use it when the sky is gray, when clouds are heavy, or when you simply feel rain coming. Examples: it looks like it's going to rain later. Or, those clouds look serious. It might rain soon. This phrase is a great conversation starter.
Phrase number 3. The weather has been crazy lately. This one is gold. Native speakers love this phrase because weather is unpredictable in many English-speaking countries. Examples: the weather has been crazy lately. Yesterday it was hot, today it's freezing. Crazy weather this week, right? You can use it with anyone, from a barista to a taxi driver.
Such beautiful weather today. Positive weather comments instantly create connection. If the sun is out, use it. Examples: such beautiful weather today. Or, I love this weather. It feels so nice. People immediately respond with smiles.
Phrase number 5. I wasn't expecting it to be this warm in April. This is perfect for surprises, like when the day suddenly becomes hot. Examples: I wasn't expecting it to be this warm in April. Or, I didn't think it would be this warm today. This phrase sounds very natural and used everywhere.
Now let's move from statements to questions. Here is where many students make mistakes. They use strange, formal textbook questions like, how is the climate today? Is the meteorological condition stable? Please don't say these. They sound robotic. Here are the natural versions. How's the weather today? Very simple, very common. Is it cold out? Native, short, practical. Did it rain this morning? Perfect small talk. Is it supposed to rain later? Means according to the forecast.
For beginners, I recommend you memorize just 2. How's the weather today? And is it cold out? You can use them anywhere. Hotel reception, taxi, airport, conference, cafe.
Now let's talk about answers. because if you ask the question, someone will answer, and you should know how to continue naturally. Here are basic responses. It's pretty cold. Not too bad. A bit windy. It warmed up later. Nice and sunny. All short, all simple, all natural.
And here's a magic follow-up phrase you can use after any weather comment. Yeah, totally. Or, I know, right? Both make the conversation feel alive and connected. So, we've talked about vocabulary, questions, answers. So, how about we show you everything in a real conversation?
Great idea. Let's do a natural, everyday dialogue so you can hear how people actually talk about the weather. Wow, it's chilly today, isn't it?
Oh, yes, definitely. I wasn't expecting it to be this cold in the morning.
Same here. And it looks like it's going to rain later.
Yeah, totally. The weather has been crazy lately.
I know, right? Yesterday was warm. Today feels like winter again.
At least it's not windy. That's the worst for me.
True. By the way, this is an excellent transition. So, do you usually come to this cafe in the mornings?
Now let's talk about something fascinating. Why English speakers talk about the weather all the time.
There are actually three big cultural reasons. Weather is unpredictable. In places like the UK, Canada, and parts of the US, weather can change 3 times in a day. People naturally comment on this. It's a polite way to connect. Talking about the weather is a safe topic. Not political, not personal, not emotional, just easy. It helps strangers feel comfortable. It's a social bridge. Weather talk often leads to plans, daily routine, travel, hobbies, work, and weekend conversations. It's how small talk becomes real talk.
You know, John, before we move on to the next dialogue, I want to give our learners a few more simple weather words that make their English sound richer without being difficult.
Good idea, Helen. Beginners often think they need complicated vocabulary like precipitation levels or barometric pressure, which nobody uses in real conversations. Instead, let's stick to everyday words. Here are a few very useful ones. Sunny, bright, with a lot of sun. Cloudy, gray sky, no sun. Windy, a lot of wind. Foggy, when you can't see clearly because of thick mist. Humid, feels hot and wet in the air. Dry, opposite of humid. Stormy, thunder, lightning, strong rain. Warm, pleasantly hot. Cool, pleasantly cold. All easy, all practical.
And I want to show you how native speakers naturally combine these words. It's sunny but windy. It's warm and dry, perfect weather. It's cloudy today, isn't it? It's foggy this morning, drive safely. Combinations like these instantly sound more natural.
Another great idea for learners is to talk about weather patterns, not just today's weather, but what's been happening recently. Here are a few native speakers often mention. It's warming up, meaning temperatures are rising. It's cooling down, meaning temperatures are dropping. It's been raining a lot this week. Easy, conversational. We've had really nice weather lately. Perfect for friendly small talk. The mornings are getting colder. Great for seasonal transitions. These phrases create longer, more natural sentences and help your English feel connected to real life.
John, something important we should explain is that weather is usually not the main topic. It's the beginning of the topic.
Exactly, Helen. Weather is the doorway, the transition into something else. For example, weather to plans. Weather is great today. Do you have any plans for the afternoon? Weather to travel. It's so hot today. Have you traveled anywhere warm recently? Weather
to work. It's been raining all week. Does the weather affect your work schedule? Weather to daily life. It's cold again. Do you prefer winter or summer? These transitions happen naturally. The conversation flows without feeling forced.
Let's illustrate this flow with a mini dialogue, just a simple one.
Great, let's do it. Wow, it's really warm today.
Yeah, the weather has been crazy lately. Yesterday, it was cold.
I know, right? By the way, warm weather always makes me want to travel. Do you travel much, Helen?
Oh, I love traveling, warm places especially. What about you?
See how smoothly it moves? Weather to travel. Effortless, natural, realistic.
We need to talk about something funny but true. English speakers love complaining about the weather.
Oh yes, absolutely. It's almost a cultural tradition. Here are typical weather complaints that are completely normal in everyday English. It's too hot. I can't believe how cold it is today. Ugh, it's so humid. This rain never ends. I'm tired of this weather. Complaining about the weather isn't rude, it's bonding. People often laugh or smile when someone says these lines.
Just as important are positive comments. They create an instant friendly vibe. Here are some natural examples. What a beautiful day. This weather is amazing. I love days like this. Perfect weather today. Finally, sunshine. These comments make people more open and cheerful. They also give you an easy opportunity to add more. Yes, I love sunny days. Absolutely, makes me want to go for a walk.
Sometimes someone may say something about the weather and you're not sure what they meant. Here are polite phrases to check. Sorry, what did you say? Could you repeat that? I didn't catch that. Do you mean it's going to rain? These make you sound confident and calm, not nervous.
English speakers often connect weather with emotions. It's a simple but very natural way to express yourself. For example, rainy days make me sleepy. Sunny weather always puts me in a good mood. Cold mornings make it hard to get up. I feel more energetic when it's warm. When you talk like this, your English sounds more personal and engaging.
Here are some useful descriptions of the sky. The sky is clear, no clouds. The sky is overcast, completely cloudy. The sky is dark. Rain might be coming. The sky looks beautiful today. Sunrise, sunset, colorful clouds. These are incredibly useful for small talk because people often look up and comment on what they see.
You know, John, after everything we've talked about today, from simple weather phrases to natural reactions, cultural insights, and even advanced expressions, I feel like our listeners now have a complete toolkit for speaking confidently about the weather in English.
Absolutely, Helen. And what I love most about today's episode is that we didn't just give vocabulary, we gave our listeners a way to connect with people. Weather is not just small talk, it's a social bridge. It's how conversations begin. It's how barriers fall. It's how strangers turn into friendly voices.
Exactly. And the truth is, no matter where you go, New York, London, Toronto, Sydney, Dublin, you will always hear conversations about the weather. And now our listeners can be part of those conversations confidently.
And not just confidently, naturally, because now they know realistic phrases like, it's chilly today, such a beautiful day, it looks like it's going to rain, and more advanced ones like, the sky cleared up, it's pouring, there's a chance of thunderstorms.
And we also talked about how weather talk effortlessly leads to conversations about daily routines, weekend plans, travel, work, hobbies, and personal preferences. That's the real magic of weather in English. It opens doors, it creates connection, it builds confidence.
So, before we end today's episode, Helen, how about we give our listeners one more big, natural, realistic dialogue that includes everything we learned? Beginner phrases, reactions, advanced expressions, and smooth transitions.
Fantastic idea. Let's show them what a full, natural weather conversation looks like in the real world.
Hey, Helen,
Wow, it's pouring today. I didn't expect this kind of rain at all.
I know, John. It's crazy. The weather has been so unpredictable lately. Yesterday, the sky was completely clear.
Right? And today, it looks like we're expecting thunderstorms. I wasn't prepared for this at all.
Same here. I thought it would be chilly, but not this wet. At least it's finally warming up a little.
That's true. Actually, once the rain stops, I heard the sky will clear up this afternoon.
Really? Oh, wow, that would be great. Such perfect weather for a walk after the conference.
Totally. By the way, do you usually enjoy rainy weather? Some people find it calming.
Oh, I actually like it when it rains if I'm indoors with tea, but walking in the rain before a conference, not my favorite.
I feel the same. Hey, do you think it'll affect the event schedule today?
I don't think so. Most people arrived early, but the humidity is terrible. My hair is already giving up.
Oh, trust me, I know that feeling. Humid days always ruin my hairstyle too.
The worst part is that the mornings are getting colder, but the afternoons are suddenly warm. You never know what to wear.
Exactly. It's like we have all 4 seasons in one day.
And that's the thing. Weather like this always starts conversations. Even right now, we talked about rain, temperature, humidity, and now about plans and the conference.
That's why weather talk works. It breaks the ice. It opens the door. It feels friendly and natural.
So, to everyone listening, now you have everything you need to talk about the weather in English with confidence. Use these phrases, practice them, try them with strangers, coworkers, neighbors, at conferences, in cafes, anywhere. You'll be amazed at how much easier conversations become.
And remember, mistakes don't matter. Connection does. Friendliness does. A simple comment like, "Beautiful weather today," can start a conversation that leads somewhere wonderful.
Thank you so much for joining us. And as always,
Learn real English with our daily podcast for beginners.
if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe so others can find it too.
Have a beautiful day, rain or shine, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.